Hello students. Today, our today we are present studying about the light. Light. What is the light? Light is the source of energy. That is the source of energy. The light allows to the see the object. Okay, and we study about the light. Okay, then we note the light definition. What is the light? Light. Okay, light. Light is the source of energy. Light is the source of energy. Light is the source of energy. It can help us. It can help. It can help us see the object. See the object. Object. Okay. And next one. The light allow to see the object. See the object. Okay, light come from the source. Light come from the source. Come from the source. Okay, students, light come from the source. Students, light, for example, light is the, for example, source of light. Examples: sun, electric bulb, candle. More than example of source of light. Okay, light is the help us to see the object. Suppose students, you are present in a dark room. Who can help the object see? Who can help? The light is help to us see the object. Understood? Light is the self. Light is the help to see the object. Understood? Okay, students. Then now we learn about the source. What is the source? Okay, now we learn about the source. Okay, light is the source. What is the source? Light is the source of light. Source of light. For example, many examples source of light. So, for example, torch, mobile flash. Okay, and candle, electric bulb. Then we know the definition of source of light. What is the source? Okay, students. Then we know that the source. Okay, a source of light is an object from which light is given out. A source of object. A source of object. A source of object. The light come from out. Okay. Then students, what is the source? A source of light. A source of light is an object. A source of light is an object from which light given out. From which light given out. A source of light is the object. An object where we know the source of an object source of an object. The source of light is an object. The source of light the source of light. The source of light is an object. The source of light is an object. Is an object. Okay? Is an object. Is an object from which light given out. Light is given out. from which light is given out, from which light is given out. Okay students, the source of light is an object from which light is given out. Okay students, where the source is like an object. Understood? Source is like an object. It where the light come from out. The light come from out. For example, sun is the many is a large sources of sun. For example, sun is a large sources of light. It means it is the universal sources. For example, electric bulb and many examples of source. Then students, we define the some sources of light natural sources and some sources of light is man-made sources. Okay, then we know that then we say that the source of light are some natural and some sources are man-made. Okay, students, we say that the object, man-made object. What is the man-made object? Torch, electric bulb, candle, many example man-made object. And natural sources, star, moon and sun, many types of natural sources. Okay, then we can define the source of light are two types. Okay, the source of light are two types. Okay, when we know that points. And next, what is the types of source? Okay, the types of source are two types. The type of source are two types. Firstly, the type of source are two types. First one's luminous source, it means self-luminous source, self-luminous source. Okay, next one is friends, non-luminous source, non-luminous source, non-luminous source. Okay, we define one by one self-luminous source and non-luminous source. What is the non-luminous source and what is the self-luminous source? Understood? The self-luminous source is that possess light of its own. A self-luminous source is that which possesses light its own. Okay, students, a self-luminous source. Okay, students, a self-luminous source is that First we define the self-luminous source. Okay, first step, self-luminous source. Self-luminous source. We define the self-luminous source. Okay, a self-luminous source is that a self-luminous source is that a self-luminous source is that which possesses light, which possesses light possesses light its own, possesses light its own. Understood? For example, students, for examples, star, moon, and sun. Okay? Then you know that. Okay, students, are you noted? Then we study about the non-luminous source. When we learn about the non-luminous source. Okay? Then what is the non-luminous source? What is the second one? Non-luminous source. Non-luminous source. Okay? Non-luminous source. Firstly, we define the non-luminous source is that type of source that is the absorb light other sources. That is the absorb light other sources and reflect to object. It means the light in that source is absorbed. For example, moon is the absorb light from sun and that is scattered to us for light from light. Okay, then what is the source of light? Then non-luminous source of light. Then we note that the non-luminous source of light, a non-luminous source is that which does not possess of its own source. Okay, the non-luminous source, the non-luminous source, the non-luminous source is that the non-luminous source is that which does not possesses of its own light, possesses light of its own, possesses light of its own. Okay? This it receive light from an external source. It receive light from external source. Okay, receive light external source and scatter it and scatter to the surrounding us. Scatter to the surrounding us. Scatter to the surrounding us. Okay, students, and what is the example? What is the example? Example is example. Okay, examples. For examples, electric bulb, and electric bulb, candle, and next one is students, moon, and it is star. It is many types of source is the non-luminous source. Many type of sources is the non-luminous source. Okay, students, non-luminous source, that the non-luminous source is that which does not possess light of its own. It receives light from external sources and scatter to surrounding us. Okay? For example, electric bulb, candle, moon, etc. Understood, student? The light, for examples, for examples, we say that the light of non-luminous, for example, non-luminous source. For example, आपका क्या हो सकता है? यहाँ पे गलत मैं बोल रहा हूँ. Then what is the source? ये तो हो गया. चलो आगे चलते बात करते हैं इस पे. Okay, students. Now we study about some important points of the light. Some important points of the light properties. For example, we say that the property of lights. I tell you the property of light. The light can travel in vacuum. It's no need for travel medium. Okay, it means, students, light can travel in vacuum. And the light speed of what is the light speed? What is the light speed in vacuum? The speed of light 3 into 10 to power 8 meter per second. Okay, and then we can say that light is self-invisible, but it helps to see the object. It means invisible for any object for me. Okay, students. Then we say what is the medium. Okay, light is travel in many types of medium. For examples, transparent medium, translucent medium, and opaque medium. Then now we learn about the medium. Okay, students. Now we learn about the medium. What is the medium, and then how many types of mediums for travel the light? Okay, student. Okay, students. Now we read about the medium. About the medium. A medium is a substance through which the propagate are trying to do so. There are three types of medium. A medium is substance through which light propagates. A medium is a substance. A medium is a medium is a substance through which light. A medium is a substance. A medium is a substance. A medium is a substance. A medium is a substance which light propagate. Which light propagates. Which light propagate. Which light propagates. Which light propagates or try to do so. Try to do so. Try to do so. There are three types of medium. There are three types of medium. Students, there are three types of mediums. Firstly, students, transparent medium. Transparent. And second one, students, translucent medium. And third one, students, opaque medium. Opaque medium. Okay, students, there are three types of mediums: translucent medium, and transparent medium, and opaque medium. what is the transparent medium? Where, for example, transparent medium examples air, water, they are and transmuted glass, they are transparent medium. Where the light is totally travel pass out, where in this mediums the light totally pass out in this medium. This medium is the transparent medium and translucent medium. Then some light is transparent, it means some light is pass out in this medium, and some light is reflected or stop from other side in this medium. Okay, and then opaque medium is the totally stop other side, totally stop there, stop the light, or in other words, then light is cannot travel in this medium. Okay, students, where light is not travel in this medium is called the opaque medium. Understood? Then we firstly you know the types of mediums and definition of mediums. Then we about one by one transparent medium, translucent medium, and opaque medium. Understood? Note down. Please note down it. Okay, students. Then we types of medium, learn about the types of medium one by one. First, students, transparent medium. Transparent. What is the spelling of transparent? Transparent. Transparent. First medium is the transparent medium. Okay, students, transparent medium. In this medium, in this medium, the totally light is propagated. The totally light is propagated easily. Is it? And second one, for example, air, water, glass, it is. And next one, translucent medium. Translucent medium, the light is propagated in this medium, the light is propagated partially. It means, students, some light is transparent and some light is stopped in one side. In this medium, the light is partially propagate. Okay, and for example, student, translucent means यहाँ पे translucent medium For example, students, example, paper, ground, glass, etc. Paper, ground, glass, etc. Paper, ground, glass, etc. Paper, ground, glass, etc. Opaque medium, it is medium through which light cannot propagate. In this medium, it means students, firstly translucent medium is completed and transparent medium is completed, and then we learn about the opaque medium. Opaque medium. Okay, students, opaque medium, the light in this medium, light cannot propagate. Cannot propagates. In this medium, light cannot propagates. For example, wall, wood, and mirror. Okay, it is. Firstly, you should note it, and then learn about the next topic of students. Firstly, we learn. Now we learn about the reflection. What is the reflection? And define the reflection in the next class. Understood? Now we stop the topic and we learn about the reflection, light reflections. Okay? Thank you for watching.